Now question number 5. এতিয়া প্ৰশ্ন নম্বৰ 5 তোলে আমি আহিছো. A circle of radius 21. Radius is given here. An arc subtend an angle 60 degree. Mind it. At the center, find number 1 length of the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, and area of the segment formed by the corresponding arc. So this is your question. এটা তোমালোকৰ প্ৰশ্ন এটা বেছি টান নহয়. So here given what? R equal to 21 centimeter. Radius of the circle is already given. So now we can write this one. R equal to 21 centimeter and sector angle equal to 60 degree. Sector also given. Okay. Subtend an angle means that is your sector angle. Mind it. So length of the arc. First question is a arc telor length to doikho to liable is. We know this one. That will be what? That is one formula is there. So I want to write down this one. This formula is what? Formula. You should remember this old formula. This one. That is what length of arc means what? Length of arc. Length of arc equal to. There is length of arc. How can we find out this one? So this equal to what? Theta by 360 degree into circumference. Circumference. অর্থাৎ পরিধি অসমীয়াত কলে এটো থিটা বাই 360 ডিগ্রি বাই ইনটু পরিধি এটা এটো আমি কি জানো দিস ইকুয়াল টু ভাত থিটা বাই 360 ডিগ্রি থিটা মিন্স থিটা ডিগ্রি ইনটু সার্কামফারেন্স মিন্স হোয়াট টুয়াইস পাই আর এই ফর্মুলাটা তোমালকে ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব ইউ হ্যাভ টু ইউজ দিস ফর্মুলা দেয়ার এই ফর্মুলাটো সি so length of the arc will be then this one so after minimizing this one you will get that and this one then you will get 22 centimeter. So now second one is what? DTO to our DTO part 2. Here given part by part. So here given the area of the sector formed by the corresponding of the sector angle. That is what given 60 degree. Okay. Area of the sector formed by the arc corresponding to the sector angle 60 degree. Eto likhilo ba tomalke. So this equal to what then? 60 degree will come there 360 degree into pi r square. So this equal to what? You can write directly. This you minimize this one. Eto katile 1 0 1 6. So 1 by 6. Okay into 22 by 7 into 21 whole square. So r equal to 21 that is given. Etu itimodhye tomalko dia ase. Hol. So this equal to what? This equal to what? 231 cm square. Okay. So area that means area of the area for the segment from this equal to what? Eta formula ase etu hol ki area of sector minus half into pi half into r square. R square means what? 21 whole square. Okay. So this you can use here. Okay. So second question answer we have got. That is also your answer. Now third part. Ete 3 number অংশটো আহিলে ইয়াত দিছে এটা আমাৰ from it we have to draw this figure here. See this is the suppose circle. Okay. O is the center of the circle. So join A and B. Okay, that is A, that is B. So this part is what? 60 degree. Mind it. Now this is what? 21 cm. And if this part is 21, O is 21, OB is 21, then definitely OA will be what? 21 cm. That is the radius. Yes. So this is important one. So you should draw this one. So in this figure we have what we will get. So in this figure or from the figure you can write or in this figure we have what we will have. You see angle A this equal to angle B. Okay, angle B this equal to what? Half into 180 degree minus 60 degree. Yes, definitely this will be what then? Half into what? 120 degree. Okay, so 60 degree. Yes, 1 is equal to 60 degree. So this part you have got this one. So therefore you can write that one. What you can write this one. This OAB is an equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle, mind it. So equilateral triangle. So in this case, length of each side is what? 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. This one. Okay. From equilateral triangle, that means OAB. From this equilateral triangle, we have got the length of this triangle, or not triangle, that is side. These are side. Okay. 21 centimeter. So you can write there. Therefore, what happened? The area of what happened? OAB. Okay. So this equal to what happened? Root 3 by 4 side square into you write side square. Okay. 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 So this equal to what you can write? This equal to root 3 by 4 into 21 square. This equal to what then? What you will let? So this is what? 441 into root 3 by 4. Okay. Cm square you write, centimeter square. So now the area of the minor segment, that will be what? That means the shaded region, this part. Okay. This shaded part from by the chord. This equal to what? Area of the sector shaded by the chord. You write this one. The area of the minor segment, that means sector shaded from by the chord. Okay. AB. This equal to what then? The area of the sector minus the area of triangle OAB. এই পার্টটো আমার সদায় দরকার হয় OAB. Okay. OAB. Okay. That is mind it, OAB. So this equal to what? This you can write directly. That is given what? 231. We have got, that is what? Here 231. This part. Okay. This part we have got already. So 231 cm square. Okay. Okay. Into what? Minus. This is minus. Yes, minus 441 into root 3 by 4. Okay. So that is your answer. Okay. That is your answer. Cm square. That is your answer. That is your answer. It is তোমালোকৰ উত্তৰ.